Hey guys, Jason here. Just stopping in from the farm, or at the farm, on a cold, dreary snow flurry and Saturday, last Saturday of 2012. And I wished I'd have got the camera out just a couple of minutes earlier. There was a couple of those Black Angus heifers, two of them that hadn't calved yet, was butting heads and chasing each other across the feedlot. It was quite the sight. You sort of imagine only bulls butting heads, but those girls, when they go to figuring out the pecking order, it's pretty dang spooky, because they're not like a couple of dumb men just butt heads and act stupid. Now when a couple of girls go after it, it's on. But anyway, we're up to 25 now. I got a good shot of some of the two newest little calves in the barnyard last weekend, I think it was. But thought I'd give you a little update on the farm. Still needing to get some bush hogging done, but it's been just too wet. And of course, time's a key factor there with a full-time job and trying to keep up with a small family farm. It's time is a precious commodity. But anyway, there's Miss Tallulah May coming up the hill, the big white girl. She's a Charolais. We've got red limousines, Charolais, and Black Angus. And like I say, up to 25 now. Got plenty of hay to get us through the winter. We're going to wait to sell the calves for prime price, which should be here in a month or so. Anyway guys, let me shut the camera off for now. It's time for me to go watch the traffic for the wifey to bring the hay across the road. So turn the camera off and put it in the pocket. I'll bring you back in a minute maybe. If not, I'll splice in some of the footage of the new calves last weekend. Got a new member of the herd. Look there. Did you do that, big guy? I said, quit filming us, Daddy, and go get a bucket of feed. That little red bull there is cute, ain't he? As soon as springtime comes, we'll take him to the house. Alright guys, let's go get some feed. I find that little red bull there just absolutely just as cute as can be. So I'm gonna take him up to my house along with a little woolly mammoth right there, that black one, and maybe another little bull or two here pretty soon. How you doing, little fella? Don't be scared. Hey, Miss Horn. So let me power this off. I got string to cut off the hay rolls. Oh wow, last weekend I ruined a pair of boots in this muck, moving the rings. Oh, back in a flash. And there she goes, off to get another roll of hay. Yes, ma'am? What are you fussing about? Little female calf there. That's our bull. He's still doing okay. I reckon I'll keep him. Oddly enough, the latest offspring's been all black. I don't know whether it was his system being down or what reason we had the little white one and the little red one and the little brown one. But since he got well, all that have showed up have been just as Angusy as Angus could be. Yeah, which one of you two was it butting heads a while ago? I think it was you and you. Or was it you and you? She was one of them. She was one of them. Boy, you can see it coming down now. Spitting snow. Yep, I think it was her and her. Anyway. Alright. Time to head back to the road. So. Hope everybody's having a great holidays. Hope your Christmas was wonderful. Hope your New Year's is even better. Tomorrow I'm gonna be working on my beehives again, because it promises to still be cold. So y'all take care. Jason out.